kitchen behavior nobody writes in SOP. In the kitchen, you will see a lot of professionalism on the surface. Smiling, respect, teamwork. And that is important because service depend on it. But over time, you also understand something deeply. Not everyone is on the same journey. Some people focus on improving themselves. Some focus to stay ahead. That's why awareness matters. As a chef, I learned this. Respect everyone, work with everyone, and understand people differently. Do not get distracted by comparison. Focus on your growth, your discipline, your consistency. Because in the long run, real progress speak for itself.